All right. I was having some camera troubles, so I'm in extremely late today. Um, what am I looking at? Am I a tweaker? Today's not a bank holiday. Yeah, Chinese bank holiday, not. Whoa. Am I a tweaker? What? Why are markets closed today? Wait, I'm not a tweaker, am I? Yeah, I'm not tripping. Tomorrow's Juneteenth. Today is not. So why are we stopped right here? We're not off of this contract yet, not until tomorrow. Oh, what? I thought tomorrow was the contract expiration. Okay, shit. Now I need to change the contract. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see. Nope, that's not what I meant to do. Wait, that is. It is September. Uh, delete this one. Go to this one. There you go. There we go. Okay. Now I gotta delete these ones too. ESU? No. MESU. Bruh. 2026. And then M. What's Dow Jones? Y. What's Dow Jones? Dow Jones is. Fuck. What was Dow Jones? That's not Dow Jones. What was Dow Jones thing? Symbol. YM. That's what it was. NYM. September U 2026. Okay. Now we're back in business. Okay. I thought the contract ended on Friday. So, okay. So let's see. Bullish SMT, bullish SMT. Okay. Asia session, we moved 132. London protraction, we moved more bearish. So we moved another 130 something for bullish indication, 177 bullish indication, bullish SMTs. I'm just fully bullish today, to be honest with you. We ended up closing Tuesday and Wednesday. We ended up closing not what I wanted. But I mean that's all right. Oh, wait, I deleted. Fuck. Shit. Oh man, I gotta go back. Where did that add to? Over here. Okay. Yeah, these were my predictions and shit. Now I gotta make sure these are all in the right spots, though. Oh, did I get lucky? Oh my god, I got so lucky. Perfect. 20 bars each. Okay. So I would be bullish, actually, except we have this very strong bearish move. I got in really late. I was supposed to be in at 9. Actually, more like 9:07. Because that was the end of the first 30 minutes. That's what I wanted to see. But then I had camera trouble, so I was trying to fix my camera for like 15 minutes, and then I completely forgot about the contract. I mean, realistically, I thought that contract was ending on Friday, not today. um, but yeah. Oh wow, today is the last trading day of this week. No, we are so bullish, to be honest with you. I'm gonna wait for this to break higher, and then if we do break higher, I would take in like this order block. 51 point stop is a little bit much, but considering what we made yesterday and the previous days, I think that's not too risky, and we can take to like this fair value gap right here. Something like that, you know? Not too much. 150 points isn't crazy. But yeah. Oh, that is a loud, loud fucking video. Okay, so it seems like we make a fair value gap. So instead, I'm gonna go with like the tap of this gap and increase my risk a little bit. Only reason I'm doing this is because now there's two PD arrays here, and I see a lot of the time that we just tap the fair value gap instead of going all the way down to the order block. It's possible that it goes down to the order block, but I just rather be in than miss the entry point, which we see right here. What I could have done though was probably 50% of the order block. No, I couldn't have actually. Never mind. I thought it hit the 50% of the order block, but yeah. Seems like I was correct there. Oh, hold on. I gotta get my Claude automations running. Give me a second. All right. We got my MacBook. Get my Claude automations to start running. looking nice. I would close out. I would close out half the position there. I would be fine with closing out half the position there. Actually, I'm a liar. Maybe. Let me see. That's not that. It's not that crazy, but yeah. Yeah, I would be okay with closing out half here. So that's 600. What was it? 600. Fuck. 685 on the day so far. So we'll say right here, and then add the text box 685, just so I remember. 685 right there. And then I'd let the rest run until full TP. We could go up, 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 up. Let's see, let's see. Whew, what a retrace. I'm already break even, so I kind of want to hold this trade just to see where it goes. Um, and I've made a little bit of profit on the day, so I don't really mind if we hit break even again, but I don't think we do. I hope what happens is we hit this fair value gap right here because we want to fill this, and then we start rejecting again, if possible. Chat, should I try to become a Apex funded trader partner or like Alpha Futures or something? That would be goaded, no? We need to close above this high here. If we can close above this high here, it'd be a great position to hold.
Would you buy or sell? Break right through the 700 is going to be real beautiful if we get it. Right there at that pivot point, it's going to go down. I'm looking for 660s, I think, easy. Some orders out here. You get fill. Would you buy or for a beginner trader? What's better, day trading?
Beautiful.
Or swing trading? What's your opinion on day trading versus starting a business? Even if you're the
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful close. Oh my god, my back hurts so much. This position is practically guaranteed now. Only 139 points, though. I definitely could... yeah, I could have targeted a little bit more, for sure. But that's only if I were in back here on open. If I were in back here, maybe I would have caught that, but I really don't think I would have, because that's just way too deep into 50%. I don't even think it's OTE. I think this is like past the... Yeah, this is past the 7-9. It lines up pretty nicely with New York Open, so maybe I would have, but I don't know. I would have had to wait for this first, and then I would have had to get in up here at this order block, and then stops right down here. But yeah. So right now, honestly, my stops, I'm going to draw up to this right here. Just because it's so close that I don't think we come back. And if we do come back, and I can't be mad about taking profits there. I would not be mad about that. But if I get this one, it'll be a really quick trading day, actually. One of my quickest. Because realistically, we've been recording for 20 minutes. Yeah, if we finish this day here, it'll be one of my quickest trading days of the series. I'm gonna pull this stop down to here just to show that, yeah, that arrow, because I like seeing that arrow and the green highlight. I'm getting majorly edged right now. How many points is this? 10 points, basically. And then from here to here, 10 points. Okay, my Claude automation has been running. Alright, bro. Just hit my TP. Playing around too much. Alright. There we hit our stop. So how much is that? The high 470 for 2.5. So 1175 plus the 685 that we made earlier. I'm 1860 on the day. So yeah, okay. We're done with the trading day. Basically a pretty good trade. So I'm gonna write this down and then write this down right here. What a retracement, right? 1175 right here, so I can remember for later. But yeah, that's gonna be it on... Wow, wait, actually, that's the whole trading week. Oh, that's the... that's trade C. Yeah, I've won every single day except for Monday this week, which is pretty nice. And if we look, I kind of want to tally up everything that I've won in the last few days. So today we are up, I forgot again already, 1860 total. So let's go ahead and write this down. $18.60. So now we're up $18.60 today. Let's see. So this week, $18.60 plus 6,465 plus 11.95 minus. So that so far is 9.5K. Minus the 350, 9.1K. Well, almost 9.2K. It's literally $30 away, right? So this week we're up about 9K, right? Adding in the last week, 3,345 plus 7,257 plus 1180 plus 2,100 plus 1130. In the last 2 weeks, we're up 25 grand. Well, 24 grand, but I rounded up. But yeah, 24.2 grand. And then adding the 2 days at the beginning of this. This is my calendar for my Instagram series, so I'm not looking at any of the other days, but I will start doing this for these days too. I just never thought of doing it like this so I can visually see the numbers. But adding in those 2 days from the Instagram series, the start of the Instagram series, we have 1680 and then 30.5 grand in the last month. 30.5 grand. My mom makes 34 grand in a year. That's crazy. Yeah. I made my mom's yearly salary in a month. Less than a month actually, because we're not counting the starting days nor the ending days. There's still no, sorry. This is bank holiday, so there's still 7 more days of trading this week until I'm done. But yeah, let me go ahead and add this for now. Text will be gray. Jit. All right, yeah. So yeah, it says 5, but we have 7. Yeah, we have 7 more trading days. So let me go ahead and add one of these. Can I extend all of these down at once? No. There you go. How big is it supposed to be? There you go. And then we'll add these. But yeah, so 7 more trading days left of this month. But next week we're not doing the road to consistency anymore. We're gonna go ahead and switch up, and we're gonna make a new series called the Road to Profitability now. Because as we can see in the last 2.5 weeks, we have had pretty much full consistency. And if we even go to the YouTube channel, and then look at our videos, we have, I forgot to change this to a winning day, losing day, winning, winning, no trade, losing, break even, losing, winning, and then everything before that, losing. Yeah. We get the idea. Basically, I started this series losing a lot, but then in the recent weeks, I've actually been very consistent. So I'm gonna go ahead and try my luck with a funded account. I'm gonna go ahead and buy an account later today. No, probably not today. I'm gonna wait till like Saturday, Sunday. I'll go ahead and buy an account, and then in the next week we're gonna be making a whole new playlist. And if that road to profitability fails, back to the road to consistency, right? Um, but yeah, hopefully everybody had a good trading week. I know I did, and I'll see everybody next week on the new series.